girl come to me in a dream, and I don't even know her name. A pretty mark upon her breast to signify her from the rest. But her and I are just the same, building bridges out of fame. She stands upon a dinner plate and tells me that I'll have to wait.